Welcome to this tutorial. How to clear address bar. Click on the address bar in the Microsoft Edge browser. Type a letter, and in the drop-down list, you'll see the URL suggestions which relates to that letter. Click the cross sign on the right side to delete that particular URL suggestion from the list. You can also click on the More 3 horizontal dots at the top right. From the list, click on the Settings. On the right sidebar, click on the Privacy, Search and Services. Scroll down to the Services section. Click on the address bar and search. Turn off the switch next to Show me search and site suggestions using my typed characters. Now you will not see any search engine suggestions while typing. Hope this was easy to follow. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel.